new cordless stick vacuum that actually stands on its own. It's got a much better long distance green LED light indicator when I'm going under furniture. It's got more layers of filtration, up to 6, and it has a longer run time for the battery, 5 minutes longer, up to 50 minutes. Absolutely love that I can go on any kind of carpet, straight to hardwoods, no issues there. And then because the head is the width of stairs, with one hand I can easily go straight to my stairs and get all of my cleaning done without having to stop. I absolutely love that the LED indicator is simply one touch with my thumb. I can control everything, and look how narrow this head is. I love how well it goes under furniture. That green long distance light actually does really make a difference in being able to spot dust, and because it's so movable, the head just glides so easily. I have no issue with the 4-pound weight, and I have no issue manipulating it and having it go anywhere I want to go. I absolutely love too that I don't even have to move furniture because, we're all lazy. And I'll show you here. It goes directly under this end table. It goes directly under my chairs. So it just makes cleaning so much faster because I don't have to actually move anything under the way. It just goes everywhere I need it to go. Super easy to control. And I also love that I can switch out the attachments so quickly. So the suction is really strong here. You can see I'm actually having to muscle a little bit because it is cleaning our sofa so well. But with the one touch switch of the handles and at the attachments, I'm able to do everything one-handed. This is nice and light. Suction is so strong, and all 6 filters are built into the main unit. And if you're comparing Trucozie models, the new model is very sleek and slender. It is a little bit more in weight because it stands up, but the profile is much smaller and a little bit easier to control. I would say if you're considering the 350 model, it is lighter at 1 pound and more budget friendly, but the new upgraded 550 model adds the premium convenience with the self-sanding, the better filtration, and a smaller battery profile. The pink 350 stores the storage bucket vertically. It takes up more of a height. This one has an additional filter, 6 in total, and it's more streamlined, both super easy to use. For the 550 model, they made the battery much smaller, but it still plugs into the wall just the same, clicks in just the same. It's just a much smaller total profile in the 550. Both recharge the same, and they do have a 45 or a 50-minute run time with the battery, which I don't want to vacuum that long anyway, which is perfect. Heads are similar size in both the black 550 and the pink 350. The main difference is they lengthened that LED green light indicator. It's much easier to find dust long distance, but they're about the same width either way, and the movement quality is fantastic with both. No issues there between the two. I also love how they kept all of the attachments one click. You can expand the rod completely as long or as short as you want. Everything is a one-click system going straight into the base of the unit. So whether you want the extension rod like this or just any one of the smaller attachments, they all have that one touch click, and find them super easy to get in and out. And with the sleeker redesign, the emptying of the canister is still a one touch click. It does empty here. If you're over a trash can, you just click it once and it does empty straight out of the edge. All of the filtration systems are integrated in the unit. Here you see that it does collect a lot of trash, and there is the same type of emptying. It's just a little bit lighter and more streamlined. Here I will show you how to take out all of the filters. This metal one is fully washable, which I absolutely love, your HEPA. And then it does come with other additional filters as well, 6 in all, with replacements for all of them. They are washable and brushable and all the things. And you can see here, so easy to click in, take out, clean, all great for easy maintenance. I do find the whole unit really lightweight and easy to use. The upgraded 550 model is 4.5 pounds, but again, so easy to manipulate and change. The original 350 is lighter at 3 pounds, so that may be a benefit to some, but it does not stand up on its own. That's why they added the additional weight to the newer model. And here's an up close of that battery system, slides and clicks right in. And here's the 350 model again, also slides and clicks right in. It's just a little bit larger of profile, but they both plug in, recharge with a standard plug for any wall outlet, and operate great for me. And here's an up close. You at the head, it does have multiple spinners and ways to capture hair. Look how much hair this one captured for my girls' room. And it has such an easy tool that pulls out all the hair so seamlessly. It's honestly one of my favorite parts. It does have a way to hang it on the wall. You can screw it in the wall, and it has a one touch click system that clicks the unit straight in, and then you can can plug it in when it's in the wall. All the attachments stay nice and together and connected. I've had no issue recharging the unit when I keep it in our laundry room, and it's always ready to go when I am, which I really appreciate. In all, I love all three of our Trucozie vacuums. I even have one for my daughter when she's off at college. I would say go pink if you want a lighter or lower budget. Go with the black 550 upgraded model if you're looking for the self-standing, that green light indicator, one touch of better filtration, 6 versus 5, and a slightly longer run time. But all in all, you can't go wrong. Great for families, great for 3 daughters like we have, pet owners. I have no issue vacuuming our whole house. I have no issue cleaning the storage unit or the dust unit or getting the hair out of the bottom. I feel like they're really easy to use and get the job done. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.